Alright, I'm going to make this video real quick. This is a 2012 F250, and this is the third one that I've ran into this issue with. And basically, it's a really strange thumping that almost feels kind of under the driver's seat, but honestly it kind of feels like the bed is hitting the cab. It's just a real strange thumping when you're hitting bumps. And like I said, it's the third one. The one was a 2011, this one's a 2012, and actually the other one was a 2012. But I can say this 2014 has the exact same bushings on it as well. So pretty sure it's going to be that like 2011 to 2016 range F250 F350 that you're going to run into this issue. And what it is, get my light position. So this one I already fixed the other day, but I want to show you guys. So it's these bushings right here. So these cab bushings actually completely just deteriorate on the bottom and fall out. So this one I actually just put a rubber bushing in that I had. This is our personal truck, so I just used something I had. On the other ones I actually got the factory bushings, just replaced it that way. But basically on some of them it'll look just like this. The whole bushing's actually missing. Let me show you this one over here. On others, it'll look like that. The bushing will still be there. Everything will look fine, but what I could do is actually physically put my hand on the cab and pick up, and it would just go thunk, thunk, thunk. You could see that bushing moving, and it wasn't a whole lot. It was only probably the thickness of a penny or so, so laying flat, that like 30 thousandths. But that was plenty enough movement to make quite the noise. So if you guys have a strange noise, thumping noise that sounds like it's underneath the driver's seat or right in between the cab and the bed area on your F250s or 350s, I highly recommend looking at the cab mounts, because I'm positive this is going to be a trend that you see kind of over and over again on multitude of them, because like I said, this is the third one I've seen. I'm sure we'll see plenty of more, and like I said, a couple of them literally had no bushing left at all. It was just the bottom washer. So take a look at those bushing, guys. Hopefully this helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep it saucy.